Once again, Bitcoin has crashed, and this time nobody's sure it's coming back up. The market is panicked and people are losing money. So you're wondering, what exactly am I supposed to do? Well, that's what we're here for. Bitcoin has been on an incredible rollercoaster ride in recent years. It skyrocketed to record highs in 2021, only to come crashing back down in 2022. As of June 2023, Bitcoin's price is hovering around $20,000, far from its all-time high of $69,000. But what does all of this mean for the future of Bitcoin? Is it doomed, or is it just going through a rough patch? Let's dive in and find out. First things first, we have to acknowledge that Bitcoin can be quite unpredictable. It's a relatively new type of investment, so its price is still finding its footing. That's why it's prone to sudden and dramatic price swings, both up and down. So if you're thinking of getting into Bitcoin, buckle up and be prepared for a bumpy ride. The recent crash has shaken the confidence of many investors, and it might take some time for them to regain trust in Bitcoin. That means the adoption of Bitcoin by mainstream investors could slow down for a while. People want stability and reassurance, and the crash has raised some doubts in their mind. But hey, setbacks happen, and Bitcoin has a way of bouncing back from them. Another thing to consider is the emergence of new technologies that might compete with Bitcoin. Central banks around the world are exploring the idea of creating their own digital currencies. If these currencies become popular and widely used, they could pose a challenge to Bitcoin's dominance. It's something to keep an eye on, as it could impact Bitcoin's future. Now, let's not forget the bright side. Bitcoin has a passionate community of supporters who believe in its potential. It has shown remarkable resilience in the face of previous crashes, and that's something to be optimistic about. There are also ongoing developments like the Lightning Network that aim to make Bitcoin more user-friendly and accessible to a broader range of people. So while there are challenges, there are also reasons to be hopeful. If you're considering investing in Bitcoin, there are a few things to keep in mind. First and foremost, do your research. Understand what you're getting into and the risks involved. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility, so it's essential to be well informed. It's also crucial not to invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are risky and their prices can change dramatically, so only invest money that you're comfortable with potentially losing. And remember, getting rich overnight is unlikely. Bitcoin's price will likely remain volatile for the foreseeable future, so be patient and have a long-term perspective. Now, let's talk about what can cause a crypto crash. Major events like exchanges or coins crashing can have a significant impact on prices. Factors like interest rate hikes, rising inflation, and other macroeconomic conditions can also affect people's confidence in investing in risky assets like cryptocurrencies. Regulatory factors and actions by financial authorities can add to the market uncertainty as well. During a crash, prices can fall rapidly and they might continue to go down for a while. This can create additional pressure on the market as some investors need to sell their holdings to meet other financial obligations. It's important to be aware of these possibilities and understand that recoveries can take time. If you're worried about the safety of your crypto assets, consider moving them to a separate crypto wallet. Most exchanges allow you to transfer your assets to these wallets, which provide added security. By doing this, you have more control over your assets and reduce the risk of losing them in case of exchange hacks or failures. When it comes to incorporating Bitcoin into your investment portfolio, it's all about finding a balance. It's generally recommended not to invest more than 10% of your overall portfolio in risky assets like cryptocurrencies. Diversifying your investments with traditional assets like stocks and bonds can provide a more stable and balanced approach to long-term growth. In conclusion, the future of Bitcoin is uncertain, but that's part of what makes it exciting and challenging. It has faced crashes before and come out stronger. With thorough research, risk management, and a long-term perspective, you can navigate the Bitcoin rollercoaster. Stay informed, adapt your strategies, and embrace the opportunities that arise. Bitcoin is a revolutionary digital asset, and its potential is yet to be fully realized. Remember, the information provided in this article is for general informational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. It's important to conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Stay informed, be cautious, and enjoy the ride. If you want to know more about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, check out any of the other videos we made for you. You're sure to learn a thing or two about what's going on in the crypto world. See you there!